Hey guys, it's all the day here. In this video, you're gonna see some of the sick stuff we've been doing this summer.
What's up?
Will
Thinks he money.
Hey.
I'm so good about the first time. Don't even think he's cool.
No one needs to know what I did. We need to use that dragon first before you start.
Yankee with the
Next round, like next time you bowl, like next frame, like next turn. Did you do that on video?
yes.
Oh, that's game.
I got the big hands. That means I can bowl.
Yeah.
With the big hands.
Big hands mean big bowling skills. Big rigs got big lines. And big risk, high reward. That's right.
Big hands.
Big hands with big hands. Wow, good hit. It's Brandon's turn. I just want my bumpers and they won't give me my bumpers. I can't play serious if I don't have bumpers.
You gotta go with the real heavyweight.
What heavyweight are you talking about here?
70 pounds.
70 pounds.
That's like a third of the weight of your feet.
Dang. Give him a nice lip
Big
bite.
hands means big bowling skills. Right, Daddy Yankee?
Yeah, big hands, big bowling skills. Amazing view right here.
All I want
railroad.
in life is a banana creamy right now.
The
I
banana.
just want a banana creamy. There you go.
Brandon. Oh, he's on. Ah! He's on the edge. Double tap to make that ball fall in. Give us a thumbs up. Blow it like wind. Oh, what a tap! It was beautiful. Throwing rocks down the Mississippi. You ready? Hey.
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Hope not. I'm not even supposed to be in this country, and I can hit golf balls like no other.
Hey.
Will, it's a gong.
Can I see my two nuts?
Frick.
So please drive carefully.
I'm a good driver. Can you follow the rules, please? Oh! Hey! No! This goes faster! Hey! 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 Look at the lava! Look! Oh, yeah! You gotta catch up to him. Oh! 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 Hey, watch this over. Hey, hey, hey! Hey, move! No, Will! Hey!
Someone bumped into
Every
us.
freaking time, Will, we get sandwiched on the turns. What's the stuff at the dollar store? Brandon's looking as thick as ever.
Okay, so right now Luke's getting gas, and we're gonna go see McDonald's. We're gonna go through there, and
Guys, it looks even better in the light. Like,
look how good it looks in the light.
It almost looks as good as the Incredijet.
Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go through McDonald's, and then we're gonna drive around and just see people's reactions.
I'm supposed to get past you. And she called the next guy, spilling some fruit. Now they problems that he gotta deal with. When you said it was over, you shot right through my heart. Why you let these wolves tear what we had right apart? Oh, I was so mad. I could have seen this coming right from the start. You should beware, beware, beware.
Where he comes out. Where he comes out?
Can't see nothing, it's too bright over here.
What?
Can't see nothing, it's too bright over here.
Just see what they see. What they say when you.
like a water.
Alright, here we are, guys. I'm about to order some fat food from McDonald's. Can I get one McSpicy and one sausage McMuffin?
I praise the Lord and break the law. I take what's mine and take some more. It rains, it